Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking this fusion Chinese spaghetti stir fry. This is a popular noodle dish in Hong Kong and it was my regular go-to lunch order when I was living in Hong Kong. I love the peppery taste from this noodle dish, which excites my taste bud, but not burning my tongue like chili hot. Okay, let's get started now. Let's cook the spaghetti first, as it will take a while to get it done. Today, it took 10 minutes to cook it al dente. You can follow the instructions on the package or follow your own preference. I used the 150 gram spaghetti, which is for 2 people's portion. While the spaghetti is cooking, we can prepare other ingredients. Ground 1.5 gram black pepper to a coarse texture. I used 150 gram beef tenderloin, cut it to long strips. Marinate the beef with 2 teaspoons light soy sauce, half teaspoon dark soy sauce, some white pepper powder, quarter teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon cooking wine, 1 teaspoon water, quarter teaspoon sugar. Mix all the seasoning well and then pour into the beef. Prepare all the seasonings to a bowl first, then add to the beef. By doing this way, the seasoning can mix with the beef evenly. We also put half of the grounded black pepper to the beef and mix it well with the beef. Finally, put 1 tablespoon oil to the beef, mix it well with the beef, and then put aside waiting for cooking. Half an onion, sliced and then separate the layers. Three cloves of garlic minced. Ten minutes later, the spaghetti is done. Drain the water and rinse under the tap water until the spaghetti cooled down. Put 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce and 1 tablespoon oil to the spaghetti and then mix them well with the spaghetti and put aside waiting for cooking. Put half a tablespoon oil to the hot pan. We don't need to use a lot of oil during cooking because we have already put 1 tablespoon oil to the spaghetti and 1 tablespoon oil to the beef. We cook the beef first. Pan fry the beef until both sides slightly cooked. Put the garlic mince in, give it a few good toasts, and then put the onion slices in and toast until the onion is slightly softened. Put a little bit water in if you feel the pan is too dry. This will help toasting a lot easier. Transfer to a plate when it is done. Use the same pan. Put another half a tablespoon oil to the pan. Put the spaghetti in, add half teaspoon salt to the spaghetti, give it a few stir, and then put the remaining of the ground pepper in. Toast until the spaghetti is fully heated up. Put the beef and onion in. Give it a few good toasts to mix them with the spaghetti. Do a final tasting. Add more salt if needed, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil to the spaghetti. Few more toasts, then this black pepper beef spaghetti is done. This spaghetti dish is really scrumptious. Spaghetti is al dente. Beef is tender and juicy. The black pepper brings a little bit excitement to the taste bud, but not burning the tongue like chili. I hope you will give this recipe a try and share it out. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!